The 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.